Today we are going to learn about the noun. This is the first part of speech. So what is the noun? The noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing is known as a noun. Means name of the person, name of the place or name of the animal or name of the thing. It's called the noun. For example, Sunil. Sunil is the name of the boy. So this is the noun. Mumbai. This is the name of the city or name of the place. So this is the noun. Deer. This is the name of the animal. So this is the noun. Reena. This is the name of the girl. So this is the noun. Now we are see a kinds of the nouns means types of the nouns. So five types of the nouns are there. First of all, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, then abstract noun, material noun. These five are the kinds of nouns means types of noun. First of all, we are say about the proper noun. So what is the proper noun? It is the name of particular person or place or animal or thing. Means proper noun means a particular name of the person, particular name of the place or particular name of the animal or particular name of the things is called the proper noun. For example, Abdul Kalam. This is the particular name of the person. So this is the proper noun. Pune, Chakan. This is the particular name of the place. Pune is the particular place. Chakan is the particular place. So this is the proper noun. Moti, the dog. Moti. This is the particular name of the animal. So Moti, the dog. This is the proper noun. Classmate, pencil. This is the particular name of the thing. So this is the proper noun. Second is the common noun. It is the name given to all persons, place or things of the same kind or class. Same kind or class. For example, we are seeing the proper noun. It is the particular name of that person, place, animal or things. But in the common noun, they are not having a particular name. Means they are showing a group of that things, group of the persons, the group of the places. That is the common noun. For example, we can see man. If we want to say Rahul is a man, so Rahul is the proper noun, but only we want to see here only the man. So in man, that words comes together, means all the mans are coming into the this common noun. Country, if we are say India, so India is the proper noun, but we are say when we are see the countries, so common nouns are there, common countries, any one countries we can say there. Goat, we can say when we are see the goat, so all the goats are coming into the here, means common nouns. Then next is the collective noun. It is the name given to a group of collection of persons, animals or things taken together. Means collective noun means that is a group of animals or group of things together. It's called the collective noun. For example, class of students. This is the collective noun. Herd of cattle, collective noun. Then library of books. Now class of students, they are show the peoples. Then herd of cattle, they are show the animals. Group of animals, library of book, they are show to us a group of things. Then bunch of flowers, that also show to us a thing, group of things. Now next is the abstract noun. First of all, we are see what is the abstract noun. It is the name given to a quality or quality and action or a state. Abstract noun. In the abstract noun, we want to see the that nouns, means that names quality, means how's that noun their quality in the abstract noun. For example, honesty, bravery, arrival, anger, youth, etc. For example, that boy was a very honest boy. Honesty means that is the quality of that boy, so honesty is the abstract noun. that that uh, that peoples are very brave. So brave, their quality is the brave. So that quality was showing here a abstract noun. And last type of noun is the material noun. It is the name given to the matter of substances of which a thing is made. Means that things are made from another things. That shows the material nouns. For example, the gold, silver, iron, wood. Using these things we can make a new things. That is the material noun.